Hello everyone, welcome back to another video here on my YouTube channel. I'm Alisa from Venetian Rose Nails, and today I'm gonna show you a few nail arts to get ready for Halloween. In the first part of this video, I will show you these two nail art. I will show you the skeleton face and the spider web with a little spider I made from crystals and the caviar beads. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and let's get started. Okay, so here there are my tips that are already buffed. So now it's ready to put the color on top to create my background. These are the color I'm gonna use for the background. It's a orange color, a blue one, a black, a white, and a purple. Let's start. Alright, now these are my color red ready on the background, so we can now paint on top our nail art. So here we will start with the skeleton face, and for doing that I will need a black gel. Which one? This one. I will need my palette, and I also need my detailer brush. I will use today an TMBL 30 landscape. And to help you out, for example with your eyes, you might use a dotter. This is the one I will use today. And let's start with our spooky face. Okay, so you can choose to draw with this, or you can just use the dotter if it's better for you. It's up to you, of course, how you want to work, how you feel better. I'll place some on my palette, and I will start drawing my eyes. If you're not sure with your design, you can just flash cure for about 30 seconds in the light. So if it happens that you don't like the design, at least you won't cancel everything. You won't need to do it all over again. Paint the nose. Now I will flash cure in my lights for about 30 seconds. And now that it has flash cure, you can try to paint your smile and just some like small lines, just like that. Super easy to do. And that's your nail art done. You just go under the light again. This time you will need to fully cure for about 60 seconds. Now that it has cured, you can use your top coat and just top coat it. And this is how it looks like when you apply your top coat. You can put a glossy or even a matte top coat. I think it will look really nice on this design. So this is the first one. And now we can go over with the spider web. I paint this blue, and I will use a white on my palette as usual. a bit there. This time I will use a brush with longer bristles, so it will be easier for me to paint the lines to create my spider web. Just a little bit to charge the brush. Okay, so here you can start whatever you like. You can start from the cuticle area or from the free edge, up to you how you want to have the design done on the nails. I will start from here today until like half nail, like that, and then we create the line on the sides and another one here. If it's better for you, you can also turn your tip or client hands. And I think another here will be looking great. When you finish that, you will need to create like a small arch to bring these two here, like that. And same on all the other. Okay, I'm happy with the outcome here. So before doing any damage, I go under my light and cure this for about 30 seconds. Now that he has this as flash cure, so we can continue with our nail art, and you can do the same on the rest of it. Okay, now that he has fully cured, I was thinking that I can try to create a spider using some crystals on top. So I will just use, this is my builder gel that I use for attaching my crystals on the nails, and I just paint a tiny bit so my crystal will stick on it. Okay, that will be enough. I use my crystal picker. I got this set from Amazon, this and this one. I just use for creating tips, nail art, and that's it. So that will be the body of my spider, and I will use a smaller one to create like the head. The head of the spider there. Okay. To create the legs, I will use the beads, caviar beads. I got these from on Instagram from Glitter Arty Nails. It's like a small business, small shop just for nail stuff. Okay, I just pick some here and mix them with some gel, so I will be able to stick them without falling off. They will last longer. Just take some Doing that, of course, will secure your bead for longer, so it won't come off. And don't worry, if the beads are good quality, they won't lose the color at all. I was afraid to do that for this reason, but if you use good quality product, you won't lose the color at all. That's our little spider here. And I will go under the light for 60 seconds to secure all the crystals and the beads. It has fuel cure now, so we can go over with our top coat. Use the top coat all over. Oh, don't go on the top of the crystal, because if you go on top of the crystal, that will become like matte. It's not really shiny anymore, so don't go. You can go over your beads, but not over the crystals. Just go around them like this, but not on the top. Okay, and go inside the light again to fully cure. And this is the final result for this second nail art with the tiny spider there. It's super cute. And that's it for today. If you have any questions, leave a comment on the comment section down below. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up, share, and consider subscribing. Stay tuned for the second part. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!